Hi everyone, today I will show you how to center an image in Webflow. So we will click add elements and we will choose image. We will drag image here and let's choose one which I already have. I will choose the Webflow one and I will make it smaller. And now there is two ways we can center this image. We can give it margin left and right auto, and this will automatically center the image inside of this section, or we can put display of the parent of an element to center. So the parent of this image is this tutorial section, and we can just center it. We click display flex, click horizontal, and align center, justify center, and that's it. This will center your image. Or if your image is absolute position, when image is absolute position, we need to put parent also to relative position, and now we can play with this image here in absolute position, and we can change the direction and we can center it that way.